So today we're gonna see the timer provided by the Google. You don't need any timer app now. Just go onto the browser, type timer, and the timer would appear. Like 5 minutes timer is already being set here. We can see it, and we can reset it, and we can also pause the timer. Okay, they have provided an addition button by which we can add time to the timer. But the main concern here, which I would talk, you will see now. There's a bug, a big bug. How I'm supposed to type hours when I'm not able to click on the hour thing. If I have to write an hour or minute, I have to write it as a single number from the back of the side. So now if I want to write something like 9, so I have to keep on adding 0 on the back, and now it is 9 hour 5 minutes and 9 hour 55. If I want to remove that 5 of the 55 ahead, I can't. And the reason behind this bug, which I think the what have developer could have done wrong with this, is he took this as a single input. He understood as a single state, which is according to me not appropriate. In the case, he should or she should have separated it into 3 different inputs, mainly hourly, minutely, and thirdly secondly, by which he could have handled it quite smoothly. Now as a single input, it is just a single number, and we would have to write a number in the end. The cursor would definitely move to the end. This is the sound of a timer. I think Google can improve this, and if they work on it, that would be great. Okay, thank you. That's my time. Please like the channel, share the channel, and subscribe.